The Sukhoi Su-57, NATO reporting name Felon, is Russia's fifth-generation multi-role fighter. It represents a significant leap in Russian aerospace technology. The aircraft is designed to achieve air superiority and provide support in ground attack missions. Its development signifies Russia's intent to maintain a credible, advanced air combat capability. The Su-57 program has faced various challenges. However, recent developments indicate a growing momentum. This includes increased production rates for the Russian aerospace forces. The aircraft is also making more frequent appearances on the international stage, signaling Russia's confidence in its platform and its export ambitions. A key indicator of this international outreach was the Su-57E's prominent display. The Su-57E is the export variant of the aircraft. It was showcased at the Zhuhai Airshow in China in late 2024. This event is a major platform for aerospace and defense manufacturers. It attracts potential buyers from across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The Su-57's presence there was a clear statement. Russia is actively marketing its most advanced fighter jet to international customers. This move aims to secure export orders and expand Russia's influence in the global arms market, challenging established Western dominance. The Sukhoi Su-57 boasts advanced technical attributes central to its fifth-generation fighter designation. Stealth is a primary design consideration, with blended wing-body contours and aligned edges. These features reduce its radar cross-section. Internal weapons bays minimize radar cross-section. Supermaneuverability is another hallmark, with advanced thrust vectoring nozzles. This grants exceptional agility at both high and low speeds. The Su-57 features a sophisticated sensor suite, including X-band ESA radars. The Su-57 Felon officially entered service with the Russian Aerospace Forces in December 2020. This marked a significant milestone for the program. The initial deliveries were of small production batches. These aircraft are primarily used for operational testing and evaluation. They help refine tactics, techniques, and procedures for this new generation of fighter. The Russian military has stated that Su-57s have been employed in limited roles during the conflict in Ukraine. This combat experience, however limited, provides invaluable data for further development and operational refinement. It allows engineers and pilots to understand the aircraft's performance in real-world conditions. Primarily, the Su-57 is designed as an air superiority fighter. Its mission is to gain and maintain control of the airspace. This involves detecting, tracking, and engaging enemy aircraft, including advanced stealth fighters. Its combination of speed, altitude performance, maneuverability, and advanced sensors is geared towards this role. The Su-57 can carry a potent arsenal of air-to-air missiles. These include long-range weapons like the R-37M and shorter-range missiles for dogfights. The internal weapons bays allow it to carry these munitions while maintaining its stealth profile, striking before it is detected. Beyond air superiority, the Su-57 possesses significant ground attack capabilities. Russia is actively promoting the export variant of its premier fighter, the Su-57E. This aircraft represents the pinnacle of currently exportable Russian combat aviation technology. The Su-57E made a significant international debut at the Zhuhai Airshow in China. This was a strategic move by Rosoboronexport, Russia's state arms exporter. Showcasing the Su-57E underscored Moscow's intent. It aims to capture a share of the lucrative fifth-generation fighter market. The presence of the actual aircraft signaled a new level of export readiness. The Zhuhai Airshow appearance generated considerable interest among potential international customers. Section 5 Malaysia's Air Power Modernization, eyeing the Su-57 Felon. The Royal Malaysian Air Force, or RMAF, is currently engaged in a critical modernization effort. A key component of this is the multi-role combat aircraft program. This program aims to replace or supplement its aging fleet of combat aircraft. The RMAF operates a mixed fleet, including Russian-made Sukhoi Su-30 MKM flankers and American F/A-18D Hornets. The Su-30 MKMs, while highly capable fourth-generation fighters, are approaching midlife. Their eventual replacement with a more advanced platform is a strategic priority for Malaysia to maintain a credible air defense posture in a complex region. Malaysia has shown a discernible interest in the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. This interest is not entirely surprising. The RMAF has positive operational experience with the Su-30 MKM. This includes familiarity with Russian aircraft systems, maintenance philosophies, and weapon systems. In early 2024, the RMAF chief, General Tan Sri Mohd Asghar Khan Goraman Khan, reportedly inspected the Su-57. Section 6. The contender from Seoul, South Korea's KF-21 Boramae. As Malaysia evaluates its options for future air power, another significant contender has emerged, the KF-21 Boramae. Developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, or KAI, with Indonesian partnership, the KF-21 is a South Korean fighter jet program. It aims to produce an advanced multi-role aircraft. The Boramae, meaning young hawk or fighting hawk, is often classified as a 4.5 generation fighter. However, it incorporates several features typically associated with 5th generation aircraft. These include some low observable characteristics and advanced avionics. It is designed to be a more affordable alternative to full 5th generation stealth fighters like the F-35. The KF-21 program has been making steady progress. It achieved its first flight in July 2022. Multiple prototypes are now undergoing rigorous flight testing. South Korea plans to induct the KF-21 into its Air Force starting in the mid-2020s. It will replace aging F-4 Phantom II and F-5 Tiger II aircraft. The KF-21 is envisioned to operate alongside the ROCAF's F-35A stealth fighters and F-15K Slam Eagles. This creates a tiered combat capability. Indonesia, as a junior partner, also intends to procure the aircraft, though its commitment has faced some uncertainties regarding funding and technology transfer. Section 7. A critical choice, weighing the Su-57 against the KF-21 for Malaysia. Malaysia's decision on its next-generation fighter involves a complex comparison between platforms like the Su-57 and the KF-21. The Su-57 Felon offers true 5th-generation capabilities. This includes advanced stealth features, supermaneuverability, and a sophisticated sensor suite. Its potential for air dominance is significant. For Malaysia, this could mean a substantial leap in air combat power, providing a qualitative edge in the region. However, the Su-57 comes with a higher acquisition cost, potentially greater life cycle sustainment expenses, and the geopolitical baggage associated with purchasing high-end Russian military hardware, including the risk of sanctions. The KF-21 Boramae, on the other hand, presents itself as a more pragmatic 4.5 generation solution. Its advantages for Malaysia could include a lower unit cost and potentially more manageable operational expenses compared to the Su-57. South Korea is also likely to offer attractive industrial cooperation packages. This could involve technology transfer and local assembly or parts manufacturing, aligning with Malaysia's defense industrial aspirations. The KF-21, while not as stealthy as the Su-57, still offers a significant upgrade over older fighters. It incorporates modern avionics and AESA radar technology, making it a capable platform for many mission sets. Section 8. Regional Ripples, Strategic Implications of an Su-57 Acquisition in Southeast Asia. Should Malaysia acquire the Sukhoi Su-57, the strategic implications for Southeast Asia would be considerable. A 5th-generation fighter by a key ASEAN member would alter the regional air power landscape. Currently, only Singapore operates 5th-generation aircraft, the F-35S, in the region. An RMAF Su-57 fleet would provide Malaysia with a peer-level capability. This could challenge existing aerial hierarchies and prompt neighboring countries to reassess their air defense plans. This development could trigger a regional capabilities race. Nations like Indonesia, Vietnam, or Thailand might seek comparable aircraft. They might look towards the Su-57E, the F-35, or accelerate their own programs. This could lead to increased defense spending across the region. While enhancing security, it could heighten regional tensions if not managed carefully. The proliferation of advanced combat aircraft requires robust confidence-building measures. Internationally, Malaysia's acquisition of the Su-57 would affect its relations with major global powers. It would signal a deepened defense relationship with Russia. Section 9. Malaysia's decision point, shaping future air capabilities and regional stability. Malaysia stands at a crucial decision point regarding its future air combat capabilities. The choice between advanced fighters like the Russian Su-57 Felon and the South Korean KF-21 Boramae, or other potential contenders, is not merely a technical or financial one. It is a decision laden with long-term strategic consequences. The selected aircraft will form the backbone of the Royal Malaysian Air Force's offensive and defensive air power for decades to come. It will directly shape the RMAF's ability to protect Malaysia's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and maritime interests in an increasingly complex and contested region. The impact on the RMAF's operational effectiveness will be profound. Acquiring a platform like the Su-57 would introduce unparalleled capabilities in terms of stealth, speed, and sensor fusion. This could provide a significant deterrent.